Hey there! We're going to check out the PDF remediation tool together. So, the PDF remediation tool is a feature on the ASCCentral website. After you log in, you'll arrive on this dashboard. You'll find the tool on the left side of the page. Just open up the PDF remediation tab and click My Files to find it. Once you arrive on the next page, there should be a blank section for creating folders. Folders are where you'll store the PDFs you upload for remediation. To make a new folder, enter a name in the Name of Folder field and click Create Folder when you're done. I'm going to enter the name Test Folder and then create it. Now we have a new folder with no files. We can either upload a file or we can view the files we've already uploaded. Naturally, we'll click Upload Files and pick a PDF to fix. Please keep in mind that this is an AI tool and PDFs still require human review to be fully accessible. On the next page, we'll click Select PDF Files to remediate to select a document. After we choose a PDF from the prompt to upload, we'll click Submit to start the process. Depending on the size of your PDF, this may take several moments to a minute for it to complete. Once the remediation process is finished, you can download the new version of your PDF to your local device. You can either click the PDF's file name to download it, or click the Actions button and pick Download Process File. Once you do this, you'll find it in your browser's Download tab. Let's go back to the folder where the new PDF is stored. After you complete the PDF remediation process, the website will save your updated file in the folder you made. Keep in mind that the PDF will be available for 60 days before the site automatically removes it.